One of the biggest discussions surrounding the case of Nnamdi Kanu right now is not only about the legal proceedings themselves, but also about the growing public reactions from supporters, commentators, and observers who continue to follow every development closely. Many people have been asking questions about the pace of the court process and what the next stage could mean for all parties involved. At the same time, a recent message from a prominent commentator has generated fresh conversations after he revealed why he decided to shave his hair and also addressed an open appeal to judicial authorities regarding the Nnamdi Kanu matter. According to him, the haircut was a personal decision made as a sign of respect and remembrance for his late father. He explained that the act was deeply personal and symbolized a final tribute to someone who played an important role in his life. While discussing this emotional decision, he also shifted attention to the ongoing legal discussions surrounding Nnamdi Kanu's case. His comments have sparked debate among supporters and critics alike. Some people believe the legal process should move more quickly, while others argue that courts must carefully review all relevant materials before making important decisions. Whatever side people may support, one thing is clear: the case continues to attract significant public attention across Nigeria and among Nigerians living abroad. Many observers have pointed out that court cases often generate strong emotions because they involve questions about justice, fairness, and the rights of individuals. For that reason, every update tends to create new discussions on social media, in communities, and among political analysts. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this discussion, kindly take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring more updates and detailed analysis on major national conversations. Now, one of the central concerns raised by supporters is the question of timing. They argue that they would like to see greater clarity regarding future court dates and legal proceedings. For them, certainty is important because it allows everyone involved to understand what comes next. On the other hand, legal experts frequently remind the public that court procedures can be complex. Different cases involve different legal questions, documentation, arguments, and procedural requirements. Because of this, timelines may vary from one case to another. This difference in public expectation versus legal procedure is one reason why the conversation remains so active. Many citizens want faster answers, while legal institutions are expected to follow established processes. Beyond the courtroom discussions, the issue has also become part of a larger national conversation about confidence in public institutions. Across Nigeria, many citizens often discuss topics such as access to justice, efficiency of legal processes, and equal treatment under the law. These broader discussions are not limited to one individual or one case. They touch on wider questions that affect ordinary citizens in different parts of the country. As a result, whenever a high-profile case receives attention, people naturally connect it to their own experiences and concerns. Another point generating discussion is the recent leadership changes within groups associated with the movement. Some supporters believe these developments could lead to new approaches in advocacy and public engagement. Others are waiting to see what practical effects, if any, such changes may have in the coming months. What is interesting is that despite differing opinions, many people share one common desire: they want clarity. Whether they support Nnamdi Kanu or disagree with him politically, many observers simply want to know how the legal process will progress and what decisions will ultimately emerge from the courts. This is why every statement, every court appearance, every legal filing, and every public comment tends to attract widespread attention. The case has become one of the most closely followed legal and political stories in Nigeria. At the same time, many analysts say it is important for citizens to remain informed through credible information and avoid rushing to conclusions before official decisions are made. In today's digital age, rumors can spread quickly, making it essential to separate confirmed developments from speculation. If you have reached this point in the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It helps the channel tremendously and ensures you never miss important updates and discussions. Looking ahead, many people are watching for the next major development. Will there be new court dates announced? Will there be significant legal arguments presented? Will there be fresh reactions from supporters, political figures, or civil society groups? These are some of the questions many Nigerians continue to ask. What cannot be denied is that this story remains one of the most talked about topics in the country. It touches on law, politics, public opinion, and national conversations about justice and governance. Because of that, interest in the matter is unlikely to disappear anytime soon. For supporters, there is hope that future developments will bring greater certainty. For observers, there is curiosity about how events will unfold. For legal professionals, the focus remains on the court process itself and the principles that guide judicial decision-making. As the discussions continue, many people are encouraging calm, patience, and respect for legal procedures, while also maintaining their right to express opinions and advocate for causes they believe in. This balance between public engagement and legal process remains an important part of democratic societies around the world. For now, all eyes remain on future developments. Nigerians across different regions, as well as people following events internationally, will continue to watch closely as new information emerges. The coming weeks and months may provide more answers, but until then, the discussions are expected to continue. And as always, we will keep following the story, examining different perspectives, and bringing you the latest developments in a clear and balanced manner. Thank you for staying with us throughout this discussion. Share your thoughts respectfully in the comment section. What do you think about the ongoing conversations surrounding the case? Do you believe public interest will continue to grow? Let us know your views. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay engaged, and we will see you again in the next update.